have heard people say
Yes.
synthetic nutrients kill soil microbes. Where does that come from? Is there any legitimacy to that?
Yeah, because compost tea, if you're brewing a compost tea that is complex and fragile, a lot of different bacteria in there, maybe not crazy amounts of one or the other, but a real diverse amount of bacteria or diverse consortium of bacteria, and you throw that on some salt-based nutrients or something, a bunch, high EC or high ppm salt-based nutrients, most of those microbes are not adapted for that. You just brewed those in a compost brewer. What we're talking about when we're a commercial micro blend, we're talking about fine microbes that are able to exist in these high pressure conditions, these high fertilizer conditions. So yes, synthetic nutrients can be harmful to soil microbes, definitely. But
certain soil microbes.
yes, it depends on the selection. It depends on what soil microbes, and that's why you do have to choose them carefully. Putting compost tea, a really good compost tea, on your plants indoors with salt-based fertilizer is not going to do nearly as good as putting a micro package that is designed for it, like Recharge.
Okay, today's episode definitely felt like a science. We used a lot of big words today.
Did we?
I thought at least 3 I counted.
All right, man. Anthropomorphized doesn't count because it had nothing to do with microbes, damn it. Hey, but that's just my opinion. What about you? What do you think? Come on, let me know in the comments.
He
And
said
if you
we
dug
had to
this
use
video,
all
please
big
hit that like
vocabulary
button.
words today.
Smash that
Shout out to
subscribe
having those
button.
extensive
Talk about this one
vocabulary.
with
Shout out
another
how to keep
grower
that
you
popping.
know. And check out the other couple of videos YouTube is recommending. High C is sure you're going to like them.
Yeah, that's a 2-for-1. We got Show Me Sasquatch, did some artwork for Scully. Shout out to both the homies, because that's a great collaboration right there. Didn't even have to show up. Here you go. Tips for growing on stealth
You could
mode.
be giving yourself away without even knowing it. In this video, I'll break down the biggest stealth mistakes growers make and how to avoid them. But first, check this out. Eliminate your odor. Go to acinfinity.com and check out their carbon filters and fan and filter kits with controller. Can't beat the...
Now, y'all already know how I feel about this. It's 50 states in the United States of America, okay? There is a state that has the level of cultivation for at home that you need. So, get up off your ass and move around. You see what I'm saying? Move your meat, lose your seat ass motherfuckers. You see what I'm saying? You lost your seat because you had to get up one day ass motherfuckers. You dig? I can't say no word that I don't agree with. Everybody that knows me can tell you that, hey, before he got off parole, his biggest thing was he was going to move to a state where they had weed laws that he liked because he was tired of Missouri. Hell, I ain't trying to go to work, pay all my bills, be responsible, then I can't even smoke weed in my house. Hell, y'all got me fucked up. I was ready to be gone. Hell, the same year I got off parole, what happened? Cultivation authorization. You ready to go, Mr. Harper? You ain't got to leave. We sorry. We ain't want you to think you wasn't welcome here. Okay, then. Okay, I can stay with these conditions. Now, where the Mountain Dew?